Diverse luxury interiors. Welcome to a journey through the world of luxury interiors, where beauty, craftsmanship, and design come together to create spaces that are nothing short of breathtaking. In this video, we're exploring the most diverse and luxurious interiors you'll ever see, captured in stunning 4K detail. From grand European villas to sleek modern penthouses, from serene Japanese-inspired spaces to richly detailed Middle Eastern palaces, you'll discover how luxury takes many forms, each reflecting culture, creativity, and elegance. Luxury is not just about expensive materials or lavish furniture. It's about harmony, attention to detail, and the feeling a space creates. It's the balance of comfort and beauty, the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, the artistry of design elevated to its highest level. As we move through these interiors, you'll see how architects and designers bring visions to life, blending timeless elements with modern innovation. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired by some of the most beautiful interiors the world has to offer. Let's begin our journey. In England, luxury took a different shape. The great country manor houses of the English elite were filled with grand libraries, panelled walls of oak or mahogany, and fireplaces so large you could stand inside them. These were homes built not only for beauty, but also for comfort. With cozy drawing rooms, lush rugs, and an emphasis on gatherings. The English tradition of afternoon tea or a late-night conversation by the fire still feels like luxury to this day, because true elegance is also about warmth and atmosphere. Across Europe, certain themes repeat: symmetry, attention to craftsmanship. And a deep respect for materials like marble, wood, silk, and gold. But what makes classic European luxury so enduring is its ability to balance grandeur with intimacy. Even in the largest palaces, you find quiet corners meant for reflection. Even in the most ornate rooms, there is harmony that prevents excess from becoming chaos. Today, designers often reinterpret European luxury by mixing old and new. You might find a modern penthouse styled with a Louis XVI chair, or a contemporary dining room beneath a French chandelier. These combinations show that the principles of European luxury are timeless. They continue to inspire us hundreds of years later. Picture a penthouse apartment high above the city skyline. The moment you walk in, you're surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass windows that stretch across the room, offering uninterrupted views of glittering skyscrapers and bustling streets below. The space feels expansive, filled with natural light, where every line is clean and every surface is polished to perfection. This is the essence of modern luxury: simplicity. Openness, and elegance without excess. One of the hallmarks of contemporary interiors is the open floor plan. Living rooms flow seamlessly into dining areas, which then blend into modern kitchens. Instead of dividing walls, furniture and lighting define each space. A sleek sectional sofa might anchor the living room, while a long marble island becomes the heart of the kitchen. This creates a sense of flow, perfect for modern lifestyles where entertaining and living often merge into one. When it comes to materials, luxury celebrates both tradition and innovation. Marble countertops, polished wood floors, and leather furniture continue the legacy of fine materials, but they are paired with new textures like glass, steel, and engineered stone. A living room might feature a minimalist marble fireplace, while the adjacent dining area shines under sculptural pendant lights made from brushed metal. It's a marriage of timeless quality with cutting-edge design.